Me and Cal were always in, like, played music and stuff when we were kids. Callum was more into like the live recording stuff and the more songwriting stuff, and I was more into like breakbeats and like sampled and chops and stuff. Do you know what I mean? I didn't really care about having like any live instruments or making songs.
I always find that question the hardest, like how would we describe ourselves as a band? Alternative pop music, because that's just like the easiest way to describe it. Some days I don't even feel like we're a proper band. There's kind of like little elements from all the different genres that we listen to. And I really like that idea of just cherry picking the best bits.
We're kind of just following like our own vibe right now. We're not really paying that much attention to what else is happening. We just kind of are like, okay, well if we're going to do shows, let's do something that we'd actually want to go see.
I think most bands, when they play live, a lot of the time it's for them. It's sort of like watching 5 people on stage.
The last London show, we got these massive head sculptures made of me and Callum that were like this high.
Had lasers pointing out the mouth.
Yeah. When we did Avalanche, I just put down like the first verse, and it was just like about the story a friend was telling me about. I feel like telling the small stories about our friends and other things that are actually our day-to-day lives, it actually gives a much more real and genuine reflection of what our situation is.
What can seem generic when you're just having a normal conversation, if you put that into different contexts within a song, it can sort of mean 100 other different things. If you have to make do with what you have, you become a lot more creative with that. We're not looking for perfection, but we're looking for it to be exactly how we're imagining it.
Yeah. I can't ever remember wanting to be anything else, but also I don't really know why. Like, because our dad played guitar and was heavily into music, but I remember like watching this Michael Jackson VHS thing on repeat when we were like 4, and just like feeling like that was what I wanted to do.